Hello, my fellow Math 101 masterminds. This is Brother Dale Moss, and I'm coming at you from my home and feeling a little brave tonight in wanting to share a song with you in regards to welcoming you to the new semester and to this class. Also, a small introduction to see how my wonderful music skills are, which aren't on the highest level at all, but I enjoy having fun doing it. I've taken a primary song. It's called We Welcome You, and I've changed a few words to it to add some math words in there, and hopefully it will make sense to you and that you get to enjoy it. So if I'm looking down, it's because I'm reading the words that I have written here. Okay, here we go. Let's try this out and see what happens. I welcome you today to Math 101 and sing a song for you. We like to be in Math 101. I'm happy that you came too. When Math 101 first had its start, each child was taught to solve his part, to add and subtract, to isolate, to graph a line and find a point. Now every week in Math 101, students gather anxiously to learn math skills and times then divide and share with all who come that day. So I welcome you to Math 101 and sing this song for you. We like to be in 101. I'm happy that you came too. Have a great day.